In this video, you are going to see the battery drain test of the Motorola G85 5G mobile. This mobile comes with a 5000 mAh battery capacity. Let's see how much it drops after 1 hour of continuous mixed usage to calculate the overall time for 100%. Right now, the battery is at 100% and I'm using a single SIM card and connected to Wi-Fi, followed by dark mode enabled with no background running apps. Not only this, I set the refresh rate to 120Hz at all times and the brightness level to 100%. I'm going to play a YouTube video for 10 minutes. Let's see after that how much the battery is dropped. According to my experience, this 5000 mAh battery lasts for more than a day. I'm guessing this, and if it is true, this is a good thing. In the final part of the video, I calculate the overall time that this mobile survives for 100% of the battery. While playing the YouTube video, I noticed that this mobile doesn't support 4K video playback. Maximum it is supported for 1080p. Coming to the display size, this is a 6.67-inch POLED panel with an screen to body ratio of 90.8%. This display is supported by a 120Hz refresh rate. Also, this is a curved screen. This panel goes up to a peak brightness of 1600 nits. There are so many things that I'm going to share about this mobile in this video, but before that, we crossed the 10-minute mark of continuous YouTube video playback. Let's see the battery percentage. It's 100% still. This is the third or fourth battery cycle. That's why the battery is not dropping too much. Now I'm going to record a 1080p video for about 10 minutes. Let's see the battery percentage after that. This mobile is maximum supported for 1080p. Now I'm recording in that only. This Motorola G85 5G comes with a Snapdragon 6S Gen 3 chipset. This is a 6nm build chipset. I already did and posted the gaming review to check how this processor handles. You too watch that video to see how it performs during heavy gaming along with the temperature and heating check. All the related video links are in the description box. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell about the price. This one is available right now for around 20,000 rupees. Alright, we crossed 10 more minutes of recording the video. Let's check the battery percentage. It's 97% now. Only 3% dropped after 10 minutes of continuous video recording. This is a surprise. If we calculate overall, up to now only 3% dropped after more than 20 minutes of continuous usage. Up to now the battery backup is good. Now we will see the CPU and GPU scores with the help of the Geekbench app. Let's see the results and the battery percentage after this. This battery drain test is for extreme usage, guys. Maybe your usage pattern is different than this, which results in an increase or decrease in the overall battery backup time. Also, one thing you need to note in terms of battery backup is there are so many factors that affect the battery backup. It changes due to the ambient temperature, the apps you are using, the brightness level, background running apps, and many more. These are the CPU scores of this mobile. Now I'm going to start the test of GPU. When it comes to battery backup, you observe that it is not the same in every single smartphone and you notice the differences from person to person. So just watch these type of battery drain test videos as a reference, not a confirmation. I hope you understand. Here are the GPU results. Now we crossed the 37-minute mark. The battery is at 96%. Let's continue using this mobile with extreme apps. Now I'm doing the stress test with the 3D Mark app. You can find the scores, temperature, and more data after each test. Motorola is releasing so many mobiles in a single year. This is good in terms of brand recognition, but from the buyer side, it's so frustrating. Why? Because if there are 10 mobiles to pick one, it's so confusing to the buyer rather than one or two mobiles. You can take the example of flagship mobiles and even iPhones. People know when they release the mobiles and also number of mobiles they release every single year. If in case Motorola is watching this video, please try to release a good mobile with great features and also give some breathing time for the buyers. Now we crossed the 1 hour mark. Right now the battery is at 92%. Overall 8% dropped after 1 hour of continuous usage. If we calculate for 1 hour how much it dropped, during the start of this test the battery was at 100% and now it's 92%. If we subtract these two, we get 8. That means for 1 hour it consumed 8% of the battery. If I do a simple math to check the overall screen on time that we get in this Motorola G85 5Z, this is how it is. I multiplied 8 by the number which gives the value close to 100. It's 12. I mean 8 times 12 is equals to 96. Here 96 is the battery percentage and 12 is the time in hours. So overall from 1% to 100% you will get in between 11 to 12 hours of screen on time if you use it like this. This is for continuous usage of mobile in these conditions. So maybe you think you get this much screen on time for every charge. The answer is no guys, because once the battery health decreases, the screen on time also decreases. Also, one more term you need to check on your mobile is the standby time. If your screen on time is more, then the standby time decreases. If standby time is more, then your screen on time decreases. Finally, this Motorola G85 5Z gives 11 to 12 hours of screen on time for continuous usage like this, and I'm impressed with the battery backup. So now I can say that this mobile battery lasts for more than a day. These are the other videos related to Motorola G85 5Z. You can click any of these videos to understand more about this mobile apart from the battery discharge.